Welcome.
And welcome back to my channel. Now today we are getting into a full face for hooded eyelids. Now, if you don't have hooded eyelids, still stay tuned. You will still learn how to do a full face. Shazam! So let's get on into this video. Starting off this look today, I will be using my primer by Milk. All of the products that you see listed today will be available in the description box with direct affiliate links for ease of shopping for you. Of course, if you have any comments, feel free to leave them down below. I'm starting off with my foundation in the color 356 Warm Coconut by Maybelline, using a foundation brush to apply the foundation in a pushing and circular motion. Do not drag that foundation over your face. The only time you will see me ever drag foundation would be underneath my eyes, and that's because you want to just make sure you have full coverage, which I'm showing you right here in slow motion. Yes, slow motion, so you can see that is the only place you should have that brush going slow. Just doing a quick fan, a quick dry off, and just visually checking any missing spots, any place without coverage. Yes, I found a few, so I just went ahead and added a little bit more foundation. Once again, using that same technique, pushing in, and do not forget your neck. Going in with my beauty blender. I love the angled beauty blender. It's really one of the best because you're able to move the product exactly where you want it. It's time to highlight, guys. We are going in using our Born This Way in the color Butterscotch by Too Faced. I love this coverage. It is full coverage. You want to make sure you apply it thick enough, but not to the point where it's cakey. So just enough, because the product is actually really good. Okay, now you see me just covering those T-zones and those areas with high pigmentation. That is where you want to make sure you have your highlight on your cheekbones, just to define those nice areas. Oh, y'all see my robot? I know y'all see my robot. It's hype. It's lit. Yeah. Now we are going in with our contour just to add some depth to our face, and of course to target any chubby areas. So around your cheek area, get that double chin, sis. Yes, we are trying to get our face snatched. And as a beginner, I truly recommend that you use powder for your darker contour when starting out, because the dark liquid is definitely harder to use because it dries faster. Now I'm just going in with a small Real Technique brush, slimming the nose slightly. Going in with my MAC NC50 here. This is just giving a quick coverage on my eyelids. I'm not worried about the coverage because I know I'm going to conceal it to get that cut crease later. It is time to blend. Yes, we are going to what? Blend, 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 blend.
No,
Then blend some more. Then when you think you're done blending, blend some more. Blend, 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 blend. All right, it's time to set. Ayy, hit them with the little whoa. Let's grab this setting powder. I'm using Sasha Buttercup, and you're basically applying it right over any area that you have that highlighter. So your T-zones, the high pigmentation areas, that's where you are putting the Sasha Buttercup. All right, while you are baking, this is a good time to start working on your eyes. I am going to be giving a couple of tips for hooded eyes, But honestly, you can use these same techniques if you don't have hooded eyes. So you always want to have a transition color no matter what. And with hooded eyes, you always want to deepen those corners. So you want to take that time, keep a darker pigmentation right around the corner areas. It will make your eyes appear to be larger than they are. So going in with my MAC painter pot, I am going to do a slight cut crease using a smaller brush on my lid, packing it on. You want to make sure that it's thick enough so almost it stiffens your lid. Now here is the part where most people struggle, and this is for your cut crease. If you use a small brush, it is a lot easier to control the product. With hooded eyelids, you have to take the concealer, or like what I like to use, the Painterly paint pot. You have to take it above your natural eye bone, okay? Because if you do it right on your eye bone, you will not see that arch. I'm showing you that cut crease one more time. Bring it above that natural eyelid closure. Now, of course, it's time to blend. We need to hit those areas again for hooded eyes, because if we don't, it will almost look as if our eyes are caving in. So make sure you take your time to blend and make sure that arch for where you're putting that cut crease is higher. All right, it's time to stop baking. We're grabbing an extremely fluffy brush, very lightweight, very easy to just dust off all of the setting powder that we had on our face. Okay, it's time to bring some warmth back to your face. We are using the MAC Skin Finish, and you are using it to get a seamless look between your contour and where you put that highlight to have a flawless finish. Now we're going in with the NYX Slide On Glide On, and you are placing it exactly where you want that neon color to pop. So go ahead and grab your pigments, pick any color that you'd like, and get a fine liner brush. Placing the neon pigment exactly where you put the white liner ensures that it keeps your eyelid having the widest possible look for hooded eyes. You'll have a little bit of fallout, but the pigments are light. Get a fluffy brush and it will come right off. For your waterline, you can use any color. Black gives you depth. White for hooded eyes definitely open your eyes. Now we're going to highlight with that same color on our inner tear ducts all the way underneath that waterline color on both sides to just give that extra shazam. So I took a look here and I said I want that pop of color to just be a little bit more popping. So I went back in to make it brighter and to make it stand out, because this is really what makes that difference for hooded eyes and that cut crease. It enlarges your eyelid, almost like it's giving a fake eyelid effect, because my eyelid is way underneath that cut crease. So just keep that in mind. The brighter your neon pigment and the better your cut crease is, it just looks more advanced. We are now going in with our highlight, and it is time to bronze with your glow. I'm using the Milani, as you can see, in my T-zone areas, on my cheeks, just to give that nice glow. Blush is very tricky for beginners, and that's why I say to use a very small amount, because you can go from looking slayed to a clown real quick. All right, let's get on into these lips. Super easy ombre lip using that Revlon Instafix in the midsection of your lips, the top and bottom. Then going in with the infallible dark brown in the color 70% Yum. Yes, it actually smells like chocolate, y'all. Using the dark brown color, this is what is going to give your lips the depth that you're looking for when creating that ombre lip. Make sure you're lining the top, the bottom, the corners, and then you're simply going to press your lips together to give that ombre effect. Next, going in with one of my faves to set my face. Test the spray before you spray it on your face. That's what you saw me doing over my shoulder and spray away. It is lash time. What y'all know about a supermodel fresh out of Elle magazine?
Smash that like and subscribe button.
Until next time.